So the first thing to do is to download Microsoft Teams from your mobile device's App Store. Once downloaded, you'll see the Microsoft Teams app and you can just press on this to open up. You'll need to enter in your college username, which is typically your college email address, and then also enter your college password. It'll guide you through a few setups, and once you've gone through this, you'll see the feed. So the first thing to do is navigate to office.com and then log in. Now our login details are typically our college username and password, which is normally your email address and then the password you have been given or set. Once done, you'll be able to access the office.com portal and select the Teams icon, which will open up Teams in your web browser. You can also download Teams, as you can see here, and you can log in again using your college username and password. For this example, we'll use the downloaded version of Teams, but they are the same.